5 weight loss motivation tricks that actually work. It's not easy to stay motivated while you're trying to lose weight. You're surrounded by temptations, and everyone seems to be able to eat the things you can't enjoy anymore. However, there are tricks that can help you stay on the path to losing weight. Try these tips to stay motivated as you shed those extra pounds. Dispose of your big clothes. Most people who diet on a regular basis have clothes in all sizes. You probably have a closet filled with small, medium, and large clothes that you wear depending on your weight. Your large size clothes are a crutch that is affecting your weight loss. They're a constant reminder that you may return to that size at any time, and, by keeping the clothes, you're ready to do so. By getting rid of your big clothes, you'll be giving yourself a boost of motivation to lose weight. Give yourself small rewards. Research shows that simple rewards can help you stay motivated. Implement a system that gives you rewards at various points along the way, so you can celebrate your wins, even when these wins are incremental. You can use a simple points system or reward chart to keep track. Plan a big reward for when you meet your big goal. Some of the best rewards have nothing to do with food. They can be spa trips, new books, new clothes, or other items. Hang up your inspiration. If you're desperately trying to recreate an old photo of your younger self or have a skinny outfit you want to wear again, display this inspiration. Choose only 1 or 2 items that inspire you the most, and stay focused on them. It's important to put them in a spot that you use frequently, so you'll see the inspiration all the time. Avoid using the scale every day. Research shows that it's normal for your weight to fluctuate by several pounds each day. If you weigh yourself every day, you can get discouraged. Instead, use the scale less frequently and focus on how you feel or how your clothes fit. Switch to a weekly or monthly weigh-in schedule. You'll look forward to your weigh-ins and have added motivation to lose the extra pounds. Post a daily photo. Unlike a daily scale routine, a daily photo can help motivate you. You can use social media or store the photos in a cloud. Take your photos after a workout. Choose photos that show you're making progress. It doesn't matter if your hair isn't perfect. The goal is to track your progress and pay attention to the small details. The photos will serve as a record of your weight loss journey and inspire you to keep losing the pounds. They'll be a fun way to see how much you change over time. By staying motivated as you lose weight, you'll make the process easier. You'll be able to maintain your enthusiasm. The right inspiration and motivation will keep you focused on your weight loss goals and encourage you all along the way to success. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.